Question 3. The table below shows the probability of a numbered spinner landing on the numbers shown. Are there any other numbers written on the spinner? Give a reason for your answer. Well, we know that all probabilities have to add up to 1 or 100%, so let's just start by adding the numbers together and see what we get. So 0.26 plus 0. Pop this into my calculator and I find that this is equal to 1. We need to pick up the second mark here by explaining why this means that there won't be any other numbers on the spinner. One mark for the calculation and 1 mark for the explanation. What is the probability that the spinner lands on either a 2 or a 5? So here we're going to take the probability that it lands on a 2, which is 0.13. We're going to take the probability that it lands on a 4, which is 0.44, and we're going to add them together. 0.13 plus 0.44 is equal to 0.57. 0.57 is your answer. 1 mark for showing that we need to add the probabilities and 1 mark for the answer of 0.57. At the bottom of the page we've got a question for find an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Now we know that the perimeter of a shape is the distance around the outside, so I'm going to take each of these expressions and add them together. So I'm going to start here with x plus 3. We then need to add on 2x plus 6, add this side plus x, and then the final side 2x plus 10. Now we need to tidy this up. So counting up my x's first, 1x, another 2x is 3x, another x is 4x, another 2x takes us to 6x. Now looking at the numbers, we've got 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 10 is 19, 6x plus 19. The quadrilateral shown has a perimeter of 100 centimetres, work out the value of x. Okay, so luckily enough we've just worked out something to do with the perimeter, that's 6x plus 19, and the information they've given us in the question has told us is that this is equal to 100. Okay, look familiar? This is a solving equations question. So we're going to start by taking away 19 from both sides, which leaves us with 6x is equal to 81. Then we're going to need to divide both sides by 6. Pop that into your calculator, and that gives us an answer of 13.5. You'll realise at this stage I don't have a calculator with me. 3 marks here. 1 mark for saying that the perimeter that we've got so far is equal to 100. Second mark for attempting to solve it as an equation, and third, final mark for getting the answer, 13.5.